Good morning. Chapter 11 Circles, Exercise 11.1. General equation of a circle is the general equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, where center equal to center of the circle, center equal to minus g comma minus f. Okay, center is minus g comma minus f, and radius equal to g square plus f square minus c under root. Okay, so if any circle can be written as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, where center is minus g comma minus f and radius is under root g square plus f square minus c. And see, x square coefficient and y square coefficient are same. Okay, same means maybe 2x square plus 2y square, so that is also is okay. It is also circle. So this is the condition of the circle: coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square always. If the equation is like this, 2x square plus 3y square, then it is not a circle. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now see question number 7. Question number 7 is find the center and radius of the circle. So first to write down the equation number 7. 7 is x square plus y square, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 45 equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 45 equal to 0. This is the equation of a circle, because you see coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square are same. Both are
Yes, sir.
okay. So comparing with this equation, comparing with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Comparing with the general equation, we get
G is 2 and sir F is 4.
okay. So coefficient of x is minus 4 in the given equation, and in the formula it is, in general equation it is 2g. So 2g equal to minus 4 is okay.
Yes, sir.
2g equal to minus 4, then g equal to minus 2,
Yes, sir.
g equal to minus 2, then minus g equal to
Yes, sir.
minus g equal to 2. Okay. Now coefficient of y, that is 2f. So 2f equal to minus 8 now.
Yes, sir.
2f equal to minus 8. 2f
F is equal to minus 4.
equal to minus 8. then f equal to
Sir, minus 4 and sir, minus f will be equal to 4.
and minus f equal to 4.
4.
Okay. Now c equal to, what is c? C equal to minus 45.
So minus 45.
C equal to minus 45.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now write the center. Center equal to minus g minus f. Center equal to minus g comma minus f equal to
So it will be 2 comma 4.
equal to minus g is
So 2 and sir, f is minus f is 4.
2 comma 4.
Yes, sir.
2 comma 4 center. Now radius equal to g square plus f square minus c, okay, under root so g square is 4, 2 square is 4, f square is 16
So 16 minus 45.
and minus minus plus 45
Yes, sir.
plus 45, then sum of this equal to
So 65.
65 under root
Yes, sir.
65. Okay, so center is 2 comma 4 and radius is under root 65. It's okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question number 8. X square plus y square minus 8x minus 10y minus 12.
So it is plus 10y.
X square plus y square minus 8x minus 10y
So
plus
it's
12.
plus 10y.
No, plus 12. Hello?
No, sir, minus 12.
Is okay now?
So 10y is plus, so plus 10y.
Oh, plus 10y. Okay. Take. Correct now. X square plus
Yes,
y
sir.
square minus 8x plus 10y minus 12 equal to 0. Now question is correct.
Yes, sir.
So comparing with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. And in this question, coefficient of x square and y square are same, so it is a circle. Now compare. So we get 2g equal to minus 8.
Minus 8.
2g coefficient of x equal to minus 8. 2g equal to minus 8, then g equal to
4.
minus 4.
So minus 4.
So minus g equal to 4.
4.
Now coefficient of y, 2f. 2f equal to 10. Y coefficient 10. Okay. So f equal to 5.
Yes, sir.
Then minus
So minus f equal to
Minus
minus
5.
5.
Okay. Now c equal to
Minus 12.
c equal to minus 12. C equal to minus 12. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now center. Therefore center equal to minus
So it
g.
is minus g comma minus f, which is 4 comma minus 5.
Yes, minus g comma minus a, 4 comma minus 5. This is the center of the circle, given circle. Now radius g square plus f square minus c, okay, under root okay. So g is 4, that is g square 16, f square is 25, and c equal to minus 12, minus plus 12.
Yes, sir. So plus 12. So it will be under root 53.
So this equal to under root 53.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So radius is under root 53 and center is 4 comma minus 5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next question number 9. Two x square plus 2y square minus x equal to 0. Okay, to make it standard form first, to make coefficient of x square and y square is 1. So dividing both sides by 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So x square plus y square minus
X by 2.
x by 2 equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Now comparing with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So 2g equal to
1 by minus 1 by 2.
minus 1 by 2. Okay.
Yes, sir. So g is equal to minus 1.
G equal to minus 1 by 4. 2 is
1. Yes, sir.
and minus g equal to 1
1
by
by
4.
4.
Okay. And f equal to, see the question, given question,
0.
y is absent, okay, constant c also absent, so f equal to 0. F equal to 0 and c also 0.
Yes, sir.
C also 0, only minus x by 2 equal to 0, okay. Now write center. Center equal to minus g comma minus f equal to
It will be 1 by 4 comma 0.
4 comma 0 center, and radius equal to g square plus f square minus c under root. So g square is 1 by
It
16.
will be 1 by 16. So, sir, the radius is 1 by 4.
Is 1 by 16 plus f is 0, c
Plus
also
0 minus 0.
okay, under root.
So, sir, it will be under root 1 by 16, which will be equal to 1 by 4.
Okay, so radius is 1 by 4 and center is 1 by 4 comma 0. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
comparing with general equation, we can find easily center and radius. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now see question number 10. Question number 10. Find the equation of the circle. Okay. Find the equation of the circle passing through the point 4, 1 and 6, 5 and whose center is on the line 4x plus y equal to 16. Okay. So question is find the equation of the circle. Okay. And 2 points are given passing through 2 points 4, 1 and 6, 5. And we know passing through point means xy value. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And center lies on the line 4x plus y equal to 16. Second condition. Okay? So first you take the equation. So let the equation of the circle be, let the equation of the circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Okay? Now, since this equation passing through the points points 4, 1 and 6, 5. Okay? Then, so first you put first point 4, 1, x equal to 4 and y equal to 1 in equation 1. Okay? So it is 4 square 16 plus 1 square 1, 2 into g into 4, 8g, x equal to 4 plus
Yes,
y equal to 1, that is 2f plus c equal to 0. Then 16 plus 1, 17 plus 8g plus 2f plus c equal to 0. Okay, this is equation number 2. Okay. Equation number 2. Now second point 6, 5. X equal to 6, y equal to 5. And so x equal to 6, that is 36 plus y equal to 25 plus 12g plus 10 plus c equal to 0. 36 plus 25, 61. Okay? Plus 12g plus 10f plus c equal to 0. Equation number 3. Okay?
yes, sir.
Now equation 3 minus equation 2, then c will be cancelled. Equation 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2, we get 61. First to write equation 3. 61 plus 12g plus 10f plus c minus equation 2. 17 minus 8g minus 2f minus c equal to 0. Plus c minus c cancel. This. Now 61 minus 17 and 12g minus 8g, 4g, 10f minus 2f, 8f. Okay, equal to minus 44. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Minus 44. This is equation number 4.
So now we can take 4 common from this equation.
Okay. Then second part you see the question. Center lies on the line 4x plus y equal to 16. Since center lie on the line 4x plus y equal to 16. Equal to 16. Center means minus g and minus f. So put x equal to minus g and y equal to minus f. Then minus 4g minus f, y equal to minus f equal to 16. This is equation number 5. Okay. Now 4 plus 5 we get. Four plus 5 we get equation 4 you write first 4g plus 8f, then equation 5 minus 4g minus f equal to minus 44 plus 16. Okay. So 4g plus 4g minus 4g will be cancelled. Then 8f minus f, 7f.
So it is equal to minus 28.
Equal to minus
28.
28.
So f is equal to minus 4.
So f equal to minus 4. Okay. Now putting the value of f in equation 5. So from equation 5 so equation 5 right, equation 5 is minus 4g minus f equal to 16. Okay, minus 4g minus f equal to 16, equation 5, and f equal to minus 4. Minus 4g, f equal to
So
minus
plus 4.
plus
So
4,
plus 4 is equal to 16.
16.
So minus 4g is equal to 12.
Equal to 16 minus 4, 12.
So g is equal to minus 3.
G equal to
Minus 3.
3. Okay. Now putting the values of f and g in equation 2 and find c. So from equation 2, so equation 2 right, equation 2
So it is 17 plus 8g plus 2f plus c
17 plus 8g plus
plus
2f
2f plus c.
plus c equal to 0. Okay.
0.
Now
Yes, sir.
g equal to
So minus 3. So sir, it will be minus 24.
minus 3 and f equal to minus 4.
Sir, minus 4.
Plus c equal to 0. Okay. Now 17 minus 20
17 minus 24
plus c
minus
equal
8.
to 0. Okay. So 17 minus 32. Okay, plus C equal to 0. So 17 minus 32 minus 15.
So minus 15.
Therefore C equal to
15.
C equal to 15. Okay, now putting the values of F, G and C in equation 1. F, G and C in equation 1 we get, so equation 1 is x square plus y square
So plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0.
equal to 0. Okay, so x square plus y square and g equal to
So minus 3. So 2 into minus 3 into x.
g equal to minus 3 and f is minus 4. So g equal to minus 3, that means minus 6x
So minus 6x minus 8y plus 15 is equal to 0.
8
Minus 8y
plus,
plus 15 is equal to 0.
okay, so this is the required equation of the circle. Okay, this is the answer. Which is the required equation of the circle. Okay, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
So this is LA type question, no? Long answer type.
Yes, sir.
Minimum 4 marks. Okay. Written, no? Completed?
Yes, sir.
So practice this question and try next question. Okay? Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.